Good morning, everyone. My name is Debbie Jovita. I'm the VP of User Experience Design team in Lazada. I want to ask you guys a question. Do you guys wanted to know how you guys can create new product or innovation or new ideas for your work or for your business? Or do you guys wanted to know how to convince the stakeholders, the higher management, or your clients about your new ideas? So in today's video, I'm gonna share with you guys the power of research. User Experience Design Research 101. What does it even mean, 101? It means that this topic today is not gonna be very heavy like a scientist level kind of learning, but we will learn together how do we do research and how do we use it for our work, for our project. Okay, so no matter what level you are in right now, whether you are a level junior, beginner, senior, or even from different background. For example, if you are developers, product managers, product owner, or product designer, marketeers, all of you can learn together in this video. Okay, so I'm gonna share my screen. Please give me 1 minute. Okay, hopefully that all of you can see my screen right now. User Experience Design Research 101. How do we turn data into real insight for our business, for our work? Okay, so I want to make it very simple and easy to understand and to the point for all of you. So in today's video, I'm gonna talk about 5 topics. The first one, why are we doing research? Second, the type of Lazada UED research that we have been doing. Third, how do we do the user-centric research? Fourth, how do we do the user synthesis? And the fifth one, the UX alignment. Okay, so some of you probably are not from UX background, right? But understanding different level of research will also help you for your work. Okay, so first of all, why are we doing research? When I did a lot of interview, right? And when I asked a lot of people question, especially like a young designer or junior people or like a new joiner, why are you guys are doing research? So some of them have like a vague answer, which means they are doing research because they think that it's very important for the project, for the work, but they don't understand what exactly is needed from the research itself. So they are just doing the research in a very basic and very very cluttered around, just compiling all the data everywhere, and then from all this data that they found, they suddenly make a conclusion of it. Like, this is the problem, this is the solution that we need to do. But exactly why are they doing research? Some of them cannot give me like a really clear and deep understanding answer. So hopefully with this video, all of you will understand more. Why are we doing research? Okay. Each project is different. So each project has a different business goal, has a different target user, has a different market. So every time we are doing research, we want to learn deeply. We want to understand more about the project, about the market, about the users that we are serving. So it's not just simply gathering all the data around, but we really, really want to understand the market, the situation, the behavior about everything in the project itself, in the product, in the market, in the user, that everything that we can gather, that we can collect to help us to make the decision later. Okay, so user experience design research have a 3 main important goal. The first one is we want to test our assumption. So for example, as a designer myself, right, I have a lot of experience, and using all my experience and my knowledge, I have a lot of assumption. And the same with developers, they also use their own experience, their own situation, their own project, and they make their own assumption. And the same with product owner or project manager and so on. So let's say all of us come out with our own assumption. How do we know which one is the correct one and which one is not, right? So using research, we want to test our assumption. We want to gather the real information, the real fact, the real data that will help us to prioritize, to make a smarter decision. Okay. Second, we want to find and create new opportunity. So the more research that you do, the more you learn about the field that you are into, right? Whether it's healthcare, tourism, e-commerce, or any kind of field of industry that you are doing. The more research that you do in the particular field, the more understanding and the more knowledge that you can make insight from. And using all of that insight, you can also creating new ideas and new innovation for your business, for your work. Okay. And then the third thing is that we want to build something that people want. Can you guys imagine if, let's say, we spend a lot of effort, we spend like 3 months, 6 months, maybe even years to create something, and then we realize that no one actually can use it, or it's not fit in the market, or it's not the right timing, or it's not the right demographic for this product. So it's like a waste of effort, right, if we do that. So we doesn't want to build something that is going to be useless. We want to build something that is useful. And using the right research, we can actually understanding first what kind of product, what kind of ideas that is suitable for this particular project. Okay, so this is actually the 3 main reasons why we want to do the research. We want to test our assumption. We want to create and find a lot of new opportunity, and most importantly, but also consider in mind that we want to build something that people always want. Okay, that people wants. Okay, so the target user, the business goal, and the technology development, we want to learn and discover the consideration, the challenges, the opportunity to develop any product or services that is useful and profitable for our user and for the Lazada business. Okay, so this is the reasons why are we doing research. Okay, let's continue. So we have a lot of type of Lazada UED research, right? And if you are not from a researcher background, when you come to us, some of you might be thinking, right? Okay, I need a form of research. Let's find a researcher and then just ask them to help us to do research. So I want to explain to you guys in this video about different type of research that we are doing and how you can actually also maybe learn more, how you can use it for your business, for your project. Okay.